Alright guys, very fast market here. What I'm going to do is let the algo do some trading here. It's much better in a fast market to get filled where I want to get filled. Right now it's not working any orders. It executes market when touched. Market if touched, I should say, orders. We'll update here as soon as any trades get executed. Alright guys, it happens quick. Just put on 2 up, just brought them back. Very quick. Shorted one at 11.75, one at 13.50. Brought them both back on the down tick at 10.25. Looking to average out at 10 ticks profit per. It's a scalping algo. I'll pause it here to see what else we can get. It's now 3:35 p.m. Eastern, about 24 minutes left till the cash close. Just to give a visual also, this is the universal TT that's using to execute. Right, so any move up into here will look for shorts, any move down into here it will look for longs. Alright guys, new execution. Just have one on and it's taking profit already. Again, fast market, and this thing's going to do a lot better of a chop getting filled where it should get filled than I can on a discretionary basis because the market is so filled. So fast. Alright guys, I did a quick manual scalping here to the long side and it's 6 out at 8.50. Going to continue to let the algo do its thing here as well. Alright, just got us in one short and out, in and out, quick. Literally we're only in that for 5 seconds. Very fast market, hard to get filled if you're looking to really kind of hug the levels, and that's when mostly when I use the algos, when I'm looking to really hug the levels, I want to get optimum trade location. I'm trading discretionary. My trade location is not going to be as optimum as the algo in a fast market. Alright guys, just worked a quick discretionary trade down here. Again, I like the long side here. Quick little scalp there. Be right back. Alright guys, I can't really keep up here. Another quick scalp there. The algo will fire off longs if we get down closer to this 93.5 level. Alright, the algo fired off again here on the uptick. Actually that was quick, but we had actually 3 that were put on. 13.5, 14.75. Remember, we're tracing the orange upper line and the orange lower line. 3 there. I'm going to shut it off here now, guys. We're 15 minutes left to go. I'm thinking this range is most likely going to be taken out here one way or the other into the last few minutes here. It's actually 3:44 or 3:45, about 15 minutes left to go. Cash market. I'll keep the video. I'm going to pause it. I'll keep it going here. We'll do a wrap up if we don't have any more trades into the close here. It's pretty volatile, so I'm not quite sure if we're going to do anything into the close here. But just with this scalping in here, we did 25 points of quick scalping in the last, since about 10 minutes. Most of it algo based. A couple of discretionary scalps in there. Alright guys, algo's going. Algo is not going. But you see the TT line still here. Our last trade was in here, last trade sequence. We've had one actual touch, one coming close, but one actual touch. Since then, another nice scalpable reaction. But again, we're getting into the cash close here. We're now 9 minutes away. Kind of really thinking that we're going to break out of this range. It's been very tight here. If we shrink up a little bit, you see we're at the very bottom end of the daily range and in a very tight, and I say tight relative to the volatility we've seen, but we've been in this tight maybe 20-30 point range here for about close to an hour here. So looking for a breakout into the cash close, not looking to fade the edges here anymore. In fact, just done for the day. But overall, the main benefit of the universal TTs, and there's several, there's several ways that we use them. There's different setups, if you will, how we look for them to play out, how we look for them to give us entry points, and how we use them to manage our risk. But the main purpose is to project out price points where we expect with a high degree of probability to see a reaction in price. Right? So the universal TT, it's really defining the expected relative range for us going forward based on what's happened recently, the type of activity we've seen, the volatility, the ranges, and what we expect going forward. Where are the levels in the market that we expect the smart money to be active, right? We expect them to be buying the bottom edge of the range or close to it. We expect them to be selling the top end of the range or close to it. And we're talking about the smart money that is active on this particular time frame. These levels, these are where the smart money is trapping uninformed traders. Right? These levels represent value to them. So if they want to get short and sell any short-term longs, they're doing it in here. If they want to buy back shorts and put on in any longs, they're doing it down here in the bottom edge of the range. So these levels represent value. This is where they want to get filled. And being able to identify these reference points, these inflection points, being able to identify them ahead of time represents a true edge. Trade patient, trade well. We'll see you in the trade room.